going in, I'm about to take flight. A youngin' ball hard, that's what all the hoes like. I ball to the max, I don't need no advice from a fuck ass nigga who ain't earned no stripes. I'm young Shaq. I tell others gold digging bitches fall back. And if you play with my money, then you can get whacked. I'm strapped like Jabos and I'm blowing on the thrax. Yes, it's RBG, bet you niggas didn't know that. Your girl want a picture, better go and grab a Kodak. I'm all about my Benjamins, you niggas got no racks. Your pockets looking kinda broke, I think you need to fix that. Young Shaq, go in, niggas know I flow in. These hoes, they know it, that's why they bust it open. And then when you finish, they expect to get a token. And if you ain't the chosen one, you ain't getting nothing. Imitators and fake niggas, they wanna bluff. That's why I'm on his beats, cause the nigga had enough. I'm a hands-on youngin', other niggas like the cuff. For what? These haters got me looking like sucks. I come from the bottom, so I don't give a fuck. My bitch super bad, you can check the conduct. I'm a bad motherfucker.